Ready?
Yep.
See this. It's not wheat, huh? It's just talent.
That's a pretty good trick, man.
What just happened? Yeah, can we do that again, just to make sure?
Oh, man.
I don't know what I just did.
Chris, you want to interview him? Okay, one more
time.
Listen.
2 minutes and counting. One more time.
I will do different one. Maybe with the two pin, two branch. Again.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
See, this must come out. So first you put water on it. It starts. No, before when you come out to the toilet, you have to do it. It's not magic, it's just real. You know, by this time, huh? I believe I can survive. So just how I go broke, maybe I'm running somewhere in the town. Somebody want to see me acting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And again, I'm Winston.
Winston.
Yeah.
Winston, the water fountain.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wow.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out too.